And now, backyard hunting with Steve Sharon, America's leading backyard hunting predator.
Actually, the day didn't start off like I thought it would. You know, I guess I just kind of got lucky. Well, no, I was actually drinking a cup of coffee. I was on my laptop watching YouTube videos. Yeah, and I needed to reheat my coffee actually. And so I got up, went to the microwave, and while I was reheating my coffee, I decided just to look out the back door, and that's when I spotted him. Oh no, he wasn't easy to spot because we've got a lot of leaves falling now. So no, it wasn't an easy spot. He was kind of camouflaged. Well, naturally, I went and grabbed old Betsy when I saw him. Yeah, she's been with me a long time, 6, maybe 7 months. Good old Gander Mountain. Yeah, she's very reliable though. I actually had a crew here this morning and we actually shot the hunt. Would you just like me to review that footage with you instead? Okay, let's watch the hunt. Let's watch the video from this morning's back patio hunt. Oh shit, there he is. Let's see. I'm gonna get Betsy. Right there, right there. It's right there, right there, right. It's right there. It's right there, right there, look. Now it was basically how I describe it. It was a pure adrenaline rush, you know. Man, I just can't believe that I finally nailed one, you know, after months and months of patio hunting. These opportunities don't come along that often. And you know what it feels like when you're in Starbucks, you know, and you pay $5 for a cup of coffee and they give you change back for a 10 because they thought that you gave them a 10. That was, and you like hurry up and get out of the store real fast. Man, that's exactly how it felt. Hey, to the victor go the spoils, right? This is some damn good brown royal. We get it down there at the Walmart. Hey, no, thank you. I appreciate you interviewing me. Anytime you want to go on one of these patio hunts for me, you know, there's no telling what could be lurking around our back patio.